Hello, I have this security camera here I want to share with you. I'm very excited to have this for two reasons. I have small children, and if I'm upstairs, I can check on my phone to see if they're like in the driveway. Also, I run a business where people come and get things from my home, so I'm always checking the driveway to see if they're here. So this is going to be a great way to be able to see that, plus just the bonus of added security. So let me go ahead and open this up and we'll see what's inside. All right, so here I have all the pieces. I already went ahead and set up the security camera to connect to my phone. It was actually pretty simple. Sometimes I struggle with Bluetooth and my Samsung, but this worked out great. I really just followed the directions in the guide here, and it was perfect. Super simple. You just download the app, and then you turn on the device. You actually had to have it charged for 10 hours, so I had done that previously. And then you have a code it comes up with, and you hold it in front, and it connects to the camera. So now I am going to mount it to the outside of my home on the front of the driveway where it will be, and we're gonna get that all set up. So. All right, so I have it all installed and put together, and as you can see, it's right up here, and I love that it's kind of tucked away there, so people wouldn't really see it unless they're looking for it. So this has been a great process, just easy to set up, use. The video looks great, as you saw, so I think if you're looking for a security camera, this is a great buy, and I think you're going to be really happy with it. Thanks for watching.